Want to blur the background of a section in Elementor? In this video, I'll show you how to do it step by step so your WordPress site can look sleeker and more professional in just a few clicks. Start by opening your browser and logging into the backend of your WordPress website. Once you're in, head over to the left-hand panel and click on Pages, then select All Pages. Pick any page you want to work on. For example, I'm using my example page, and click the Edit with Elementor button attached to it. Elementor will take a few seconds to load. Once the editing panel is ready, choose any section on your page that has an image as a background. Click on that section, then tap the little rectangle icon in the top left corner of the section. This will change the menu on the left to the Edit Container panel. Now go to the Advanced tab and scroll down a bit until you find the Custom CSS section. Click on it, and a code box will appear where you can enter some CSS. In that box, type the following code. This line of CSS will apply a blur effect to the background image of the selected section. The 5px value makes it slightly blurred. If you want a stronger effect, you can increase it to 25 pixels or even 85 pixels for a dramatic blur that almost hides the image entirely. You can apply this to any other section on your site where you want a blurred background. It's a super simple trick to elevate the look of your site instantly. As soon as you apply the code, you'll notice the background image has a softer, more elegant appearance. If you like how it turns out, don't forget to click the Publish button in the top right corner to save your changes. Remember, designing a website like a pro is no longer hard. With Elementor, it's a breeze, and it's the tool I swear by. Check it out through my affiliate link and see for yourself. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might find it useful. See you in the next one.